Since last month's flooding, more than 70 houses and families have been affected, with their gardens and houses being submerged underwater. Councillor Singu gave the update.
Number of house were all step inside the water, 72 houses.
Sorry.
Water flow, hanini long house na kanigo. So, church and books let never run up after mga map na stop. First round, all disaster team is been given, I've been finished. Now it is the second round now. Disaster team come up now, even helping get not.
Councillor Singu also said with the continuous rain and flooding, many people have been affected.
Okay, this site now, 72 houses inside the Yuo community. So, time where I'm high flood stop, I'm running inside. I need to allow us to go in a time where slack down, garden and barap or kaya barap. But family low stop yet to the house, yes, only stop. But where I'm just pretending the house can go. Family maintaining more house, tomorrow sit down stop.
He also appealed to the respective provincial member and local member for assistance.
For member Blumipla, as Kawana, almost looks over this kind of Baharap. Albin must come all people. The Sangra Kaden, all this kind of something, he must come up. So ask him you to come to me as a leader, we must give him straight. Because all this kind of something, all thing was people are more right and stuff, but Baharap come up and all look in the eye.
Meanwhile, school children are attending normal classes. Tamara Agavi, National EMTV News.